Hey everyone, I'm Nashay. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. So in this video, I will show you my updated mini twist wash day routine. I'm currently dealing with the psoriasis flare-up, so most of the products I use have changed. I've also incorporated a couple of new washing and product application techniques to make the wash day process quicker and more efficient. So this is what my hair currently looks like. We are at the 5-week mark with this style, and this will be my second time washing my hair in this style. I initially washed it after 2 weeks, and now it is 3 weeks since that wash day, and my scalp doesn't look too bad at all. There aren't any big flakes hanging off of my scalp or hair, and it doesn't look too irritated because I have been incorporating the products and tips that I discussed in my scalp psoriasis series, so feel free to check that out as well. However, in this last week, my scalp did feel more itchy and sore than in the previous 2 weeks. So if you are dealing with an active flare-up while this style is installed, I would not suggest going past 2 weeks without cleansing your scalp. Now let's get into the wash day. First, I go in with my apple cider vinegar rinse to begin breaking down any product buildup at the roots. I spray it on my scalp and roots and massage it in. And you can see as soon as the ACV touches my scalp and hair, the product literally starts melting away. This is a great first step to the wash day for this very reason. It begins the cleansing process by breaking down any buildup so your shampoo can focus on giving your hair and scalp a deeper clean. I make sure to work the ACV in a little more on the spot where my hair meets the extension hair, especially in the back of my head. Because I can't see this part of my head, product buildup and scalp flakes tend to gather up back there, so I use the ACV to begin melting that buildup. Now I know somebody is going to ask why I didn't use the handheld sprayer next to my sink, but it don't work, y'all, okay? Next, I rinse out the ACV with warm water. I initially put my hair in ponytails like I did in my original wash day video, but I quickly realized it made it harder for me to get to my scalp properly and caused extra tension on my roots when my hair was wet, so I took them out. Next, I shampoo with the Nizoral Scalp Psoriasis Shampoo. First, I put a generous amount in my hands and focus the application onto my scalp, massaging it in. Any sections where I felt didn't have any shampoo on it, I parted my hair and squeezed a bit of the shampoo directly onto my scalp in that section and continued massaging it in. I let it sit for 5 minutes per the instructions on the shampoo bottle. While rinsing out the shampoo, I make sure to massage my hair and scalp again to get the water in between the twists. This is an important technique to carry throughout the wash day because we want to make sure all the product is rinsed out before going on to the next step. For the second cleanse, I go in with the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. Yes, I still use the shampoo. It's been holding your girl down for the past 6 years, and I absolutely love the intense, minty, tingly feeling it leaves on the scalp. I use the same application technique, first applying it to my hands and massaging it in, then applying it directly to my scalp in smaller sections. With this cleanse, I also focus on smoothing the shampoo onto my hair as well. So I work the shampoo farther down onto the twists to where my hair ends. I rinse again, making sure to get the water into the twist to rinse out all the product. this is what my hair and scalp look like immediately post-wash. To condition, I am using the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Hair Mask. First, I put some onto my hands and apply it to my hair. I try to avoid my scalp as much as possible and focus the product onto my hair in the twists and onto the grown out parts of my roots. I clip my hair to the top of my head and cover it with a shower cap for 20 minutes. While it's deep conditioning, I don't go under the steamer or anything. I just wrap a towel or a t-shirt on my head to provide an extra layer of heat, and then I move around a bit, so I may do some cleaning so that my body can generate some heat as well. Now, this rinsing process took the longest because I really wanted to make sure I rinsed out every bit of conditioner. I used warmer, lukewarm water and rinsed my hair out in smaller sections, separating the twists in each section. I periodically squeezed out the hair to see if there was any product left, and I could tell if there were a lot of bubbles in the water that there was still some conditioner left in there, so I kept rinsing and squeezing until the water pretty much ran clear. I wrap my hair in a cotton t-shirt and use it to squeeze out as much water as I can. For the leave-in conditioner, I am using the Curlsmith Curl Condition Oil and Cream. I squeeze a healthy amount into my hand and work it into my hair. I avoid the scalp as much as possible by working in smaller sections. Next, I oil my scalp using a DIY aloe-infused sunflower and grapeseed oil that I made. I apply this in larger sections because the oil is very lightweight and easily spreads, so I focus on really massaging it into my scalp. Lastly, I blow dry. This step is optional, but I really wanted my hair to dry quicker. You can also apply mousse before doing the step 2 if you want. I blow dry my hair on the cool setting and focus on drying my roots first, once again working in smaller sections. Then I use a light tension method to dry the rest of the twists. And that's it. Here are the final wash day results. My hair and scalp feel super clean and moisturized, and because I worked in smaller sections, I was able to minimize frizz. Try these techniques during your next mini twist wash day and let me know how they work for you. All of the products I used are linked in the description box. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below as well. Please like this video before you go and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.